Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the latest contender in the budget-friendly tablet arena, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. This 11-inch Android tablet boasts a large screen, quad speakers, and a sleek design, all at a price point that's sure to turn heads. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. The first thing you'll notice about the Tab A9 Plus is its design. It's undeniably sleek and modern, sporting a slim profile and a lightweight build. The graphite finish, which we have here, provides a premium feel. While the construction is predominantly plastic, it doesn't feel cheap. Samsung has done a commendable job making this feel like a more expensive device than it actually is. Durability seems reasonable for everyday use, though a protective case is always recommended. Now, let's talk about the display. The 11-inch screen is certainly a highlight. It offers a vibrant and crisp viewing experience, making it ideal for browsing, watching videos, and even light gaming. While the resolution isn't the highest on the market, it's perfectly adequate for the price. One of the selling points is the multi-window display feature. This allows you to run 2 or even 3 apps simultaneously, boosting your productivity and multitasking capabilities. This is especially useful for research, note-taking, or simply keeping an eye on your social media feeds while enjoying a movie. Performance is powered by what Samsung calls an upgraded chipset. While they haven't specifically named the processor, it's a noticeable improvement over previous generations of the Tab A series. General navigation is smooth, and most everyday apps run without a hitch. However, demanding games or resource-intensive applications might experience some lag. The 64 gigabytes of onboard storage is adequate for most users, but thankfully, it is expandable via microSD card, providing you with ample room for your photos, videos, and files. Let's move on to audio. The Tab A9 Plus boasts quad speakers, strategically placed to provide a more immersive sound experience. And indeed, the audio quality is surprisingly good for a tablet in this price range. The speakers are reasonably loud and offer a decent amount of bass. The camera setup is fairly standard for a tablet. You get an 8MP rear camera and a 5MP front-facing camera. While the picture quality won't rival your smartphone, it's perfectly serviceable for video calls and quick snapshots. Software-wise, the Tab A9 Plus runs on Android with Samsung's One UI overlay. This provides a clean and intuitive user experience with access to the Google Play Store and a host of Samsung's pre-installed apps. The software is generally responsive and well-optimized. So, who is this tablet for? The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is ideal for students, casual users, and anyone looking for a versatile and affordable Android tablet for entertainment, productivity, and general everyday use. It's not a powerhouse for gaming or demanding creative tasks, but it excels at the basics and offers a surprisingly premium experience for the price. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a solid and well-rounded Android tablet that offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a budget-friendly tablet with a large screen, decent performance, and a sleek design, the Tab A9 Plus is definitely worth considering. For more information, you will find the product link on Amazon in the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Until next time.